Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on Synthesia. It's an AI platform that is seriously changing the game for how video gets made. So let's dive in and see how it all works.
So let me ask you something. Have you ever had this amazing idea for a video? Maybe a training module or a cool product demo, but then you just stopped? The thought of all the gear, the cameras, the mics, finding actors, booking a studio, it's just so much hassle, right? Not to mention expensive.
Well, that's exactly the problem Synthesia is here to solve. It's this incredibly powerful AI tool that lets you create legit, studio-quality videos, all with AI avatars and voices that sound unbelievably real. And the best part? You do the whole thing right from your web browser. No fancy equipment needed.
Okay, but how does it actually do all that? Well, it all boils down to four key AI technologies. You can think of them as the four pillars that hold the whole thing up. Let's break them down one by one.
First up, you've got the AI avatars. Seriously, think of these as your digital actors on demand. They're photorealistic presenters that look, move, and talk just like real people. This completely gets rid of the need to film anybody, so you can just pick the perfect face for your message.
Next, of course, you need a voice. Synthesia has a massive library. We're talking over 1,000 natural-sounding AI voices. The flexibility here is just incredible. You've got options in more than 160 different languages and accents.
All right, now for what might be the hardest part for a lot of people, writing the script. The third pillar is the video assistant, and honestly, it's a total game changer. You can give it a simple text prompt, upload a document, or even just paste a link to a website, and boom, it generates a whole video script for you, just like that. And the final pillar, which is just amazing for anyone working with a global audience, is localization. Get this, you can take your finished video and translate it into dozens of languages with a single click. But here's the magic. It doesn't just translate the audio. The AI actually recreates the video, so your avatar's lips perfectly sync up with the new language. It's incredible. So you've got all these amazing tools. How do you actually put them all together to make something? Well, the whole platform is built around a super simple 5-step process that can take you from just an idea to a finished video in a matter of minutes. Let's walk through it. Okay, here's how easy it is. Step 1, you provide your source material. Like we said, this could be a quick prompt, a PDF, a PowerPoint, whatever you've got. Then the AI instantly generates a structured outline for your video, giving you a really solid place to start. Step 3 is the fun part. You customize everything. Pick your avatar, choose the perfect voice, add your own images and video clips. You can even add gestures, like a little head nod, to make your avatar feel more expressive and human. And finally, you just click generate, and that's it. Your video is done and ready to share. Now, knowing how to make a video is one thing, but making a great video, that's another. So let's cover a few pro tips to make sure your content really lands with your audience and is super effective. First off, keep your videos short and to the point. This really helps keep people watching. Second, try using what's called the FOCA framework. It's a simple formula. Start with a strong hook, then clearly state the learning outcome, deliver your main content, and always end with a clear call to action. And lastly, a really simple but super important tip, always preview your scenes before you generate the whole video. Trust me, it'll save you a ton of time. So when you put it all together, what do you have? You've got AI avatars as your actors, AI voices as your narrators, and an AI assistant as your scriptwriter. And this is no exaggeration, an entire video production studio that just lives inside your browser. I mean, it's a pretty powerful idea, right? It basically makes video creation accessible to everyone. And that leaves us with one last and, I think, very exciting question to ponder. When making a professional video becomes this easy, what will you create?